Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and activate credit cards as a payment method on your Shopify store. So basically in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to actually do that. So once you are on your admin panel here, go ahead over at the bottom and click on settings. Now from settings, click on payments, and from payments, you can actually set up Shopify payments here, which accepts every card, guys, which I think is a lot more convenient. But if you don't want to actually go ahead and do that, here's the manual way. So go ahead and click on add payment method right here, and you are going to go ahead and search by payment method. Now right here, you can go ahead and choose from any credit card, any payment gateway, guys. You want to go ahead and choose. Now if you want to go ahead and actually choose crypto, you can go. I believe it is an option here as well. You guys can see Bitcoin and Ethereum. So basically you want to add the credit card, like I said. It will give you some providers here that actually help you out. So we are gonna go with scroll right here, and pretty much you are gonna want to actually activate it right here. And now you want to put your merchant email and all that stuff, and you want to have an account for skill and whatever. So basically once you actually got that setup, reflection should be made onto your Shopify web store website. So it's pretty easy to actually go ahead and do that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.